Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers, my sisters, guess what? Last week, I posted on Facebook and Instagram and a few other platforms. I created a poll and I asked the people to choose between two phones. So the one is the Samsung S23 Ultra and the other is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And people had different things to say. Some said, what is he trying to tell us? Some said, why is he posting or asking? And some said, I choose this or I choose that. Some were choosing for me, some were choosing for themselves. Subhanallah. But to cut a long story short, we are here today to unbox something, mashallah. So let's go to it, or let's get to it. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And here we go. If you are an Apple person, then I'd say fortunately. And if you are an Android person, I'd say fortunately. Okay. To be more correct, if you are an Apple person, I'll say unfortunately. And if you are an Android person, I'll say fortunately. So here is the Samsung S23 Ultra. And we would be unboxing this in the name of Allah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Let's get to it. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And we just have this small razor blade here. I hope it helps us try to get the actual thing, but we couldn't get that. And I think it's going pretty well. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And I think it's easy. We're getting somewhere. And we have this here too. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And I think here we go. MashaAllah. Let's see what we have here. Do I have to still cut this part? Oh, we didn't do this part. MashaAllah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It's supposed to be 4 exactly. So here we go. MashaAllah. Tabarakallah. So I think we can actually even take it out like this. Just bring it out. And we keep this here. MashaAllah. Let's see what we have here. MashaAllah. Tabarakallah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Easy. MashaAllah. Beautiful leather here. This is what we got. We have to just open this and see. Yes. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now we can open this. And I think we start from, where do we start from anyway? It's okay, it's all the same thing. Okay, let's start from here. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Mashallah, tabarakallah. And we can do this part of the pack. Okay, I hope I don't even, cut the main thing, but I think we could. Bismillah. Mashallah, tabarakallah. And obviously this last part, maybe we do it this way. I think we're good to go. Let's see if we can open it like this. And it's good. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hey, okay, let's see here. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. I think it has a case as well coming with it. And I think we're good to go. Wow. We still have an extra layer. Subhanallah. Okay. How do we do this? Oh, MashaAllah. Tabarakallah. Okay, we just have to get rid of the entire thing. And here it comes. This can come here. MashaAllah. Okay, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is, I think, yeah, it's the receipt. J plug, your home, your #1 home of gadgets and accessories. MashaAllah. And then name, date, price, the phone type, and the color, storage, and a few other things. I think they're good. Yeah, MashaAllah, J plug. Even though this is my first time with them, but I was satisfied enough that I thought to myself, let's go for them, mashallah. And this is the pouch. It's a beautiful one. It's a black colored pouch, and this is the main guy, mashallah. Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it has the color as well. The what's there again? The storage, and very important. It says, "Do not accept if seal is broken. Caution: sealed package. Do not accept if seal is broken." So when you see this, it shows you that the phone is brand new. Subhanallah. So if the seal is broken, then it's a problem. Okay, let's get to it. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We can now unseal how do they do this? Okay, maybe we do from here. They have an arrow, in fact, directing you on what to do. And it's official. We unsealing it. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Is it gonna work like this? And it's working, mashallah. And keep this here. Then we come down and we do this part. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And I think this part is a little bit more tough. Perhaps I have my razor blade here. If you're not cooperating, you can just use it. Okay, and here we go. Simple. We good. MashaAllah. Tabarakallah. MashaAllah. Tabarakallah. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bismillah. This is the front side. MashaAllah. Now let's see the back side. I want to see the color of it. Wow. Allahu Akbar. MashaAllah. I'm amazed by this because this is the color I actually went for. And it's amazing, mashallah. Tabarakallah, mashallah. Okay, I know you guys want to see what it looks like. And yeah, here we go. This is just the front side of it. You have the leather, which you can peel off. And the back too has some leather you can peel off. And the entire thing is amazing, actually, because it's just different, from maybe the former one I used. Okay, we can go ahead by peeling off this leather here, but to be honest, I'm amazed by the color. Let's look at it one more time. Mashallah, amazing, mashallah. Okay, we can peel off this leather here. Okay, I got it. We almost there. Bismillah, almost there. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's see what's in here. It's the charger, and this, it's called what? The quick start guide. And the charger, what else is in here? I think it's supposed to be just the charger. Oh, and the what's it called? This thing here is called the SIM, whatever it is called. But to remove the SIM, when you want to remove your SIM card, I think it's just simple as this. Oh, we have this for the SIM. You want to remove the SIM, you can use this metal here. It's amazing. And the charger as well. We have this. It comes with, as usual, the two sides. It's called the Type C charger. Yeah, mashallah, tabarakallah, amazing. Okay, and this also comes with a pen. Yeah, before only Notes, the Samsung Note used to be the only one with the pen. I think I'm right. Yeah, but now they have the pen. Mashallah, look what it looks like. Mashallah, so it's beautiful, amazing, mashallah. And I think now we can proceed to turning on the phone by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Here we go. Inshallah. Tabarakallah. Amazing. Mashallah, tabarakallah. Welcome, amazing. And here we go. Bismillah, English UK. And I think agree to all, obviously. And Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Here is the camera, mashallah, barakallah. Let's zoom this, see what they've been talking about. Oh, ya ilahi, mashallah. And then it goes this point, can't even see nothing. 100 times. Okay, mashallah, tabarakallah. Look at this, it shows that number there. Amazing. Mashallah, I think it's all good, mashallah. It's amazing actually. Mashallah, tabarakallah. Mashallah. Mashallah, tabarakallah. And that is our video of unboxing the Samsung S23 Ultra. This is the first time I am recording this type of a video, and it's amazing how we use these gadgets for da'wah, for spreading good, doing good, and so on. And we ask Allah to accept. So it's amazing. So sorry, the iPhone guys, okay? I'm not hating on iPhone, but perhaps we went for this, mashallah. Inshallah, we catch up in some other videos soon, some other vlogs. See you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.